Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problems step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can see if somebody is online or not in Snapchat. And it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. Now before moving forward over here, what you have to do is once you open Snapchat, you can see the little chat icon over here. Click on it. Once you click on it, right beside your person's name, you can see where it says 2W, 2M, 10W, 16W, just like those numbers over here. So on my friend Suyagatikari, it says 2M, which means he was online 2 minutes ago. And 2W means 2 weeks ago, alright? So you need to know that. So yeah, that's how you guys can know how long somebody has been online for. So none of my friends are online. And just like in Facebook, it's not going to show a green, like, blinking button to show if somebody's online or not. In Snapchat, you just have to find out like this, 2M, 2W, like Team Snapchat was like online 2 weeks ago, Suig was 2 minutes ago. The other is to go to your maps. You can click on the location icon at the bottom left corner of Snapchat. And all the friends who have their location turned on is also going to show. Okay, 7 hours ago he was on, just like that as well. But yeah, that's basically how you guys can know if somebody's online or not. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.